this is an amazing brand for your crochet projects. And in this case, the brand sent me this one specifically. I had one before, a different kind, and I am excited for this one because the quality of their material is so good, and also the designs. Look at this. This is just something that I appreciate for my crochet projects. I've been really into it lately, and they just decided to send me this one, which I love the color. This green is amazing, as well as those details of little blue, yellow, and pink that you can see on it. So that's something that I really like. In this case, I also like that it is very good quality. It actually is 79% acrylic and 21% polyester. And it always over here it tells you it's 159 meters or 174 yard and 100% grams. So this is where it will tell you that it's a line number 3, and it will give you even the type of hook that you need to create your projects with this. So I just wanted to show this one is a pack of 4, which is amazing because you never want to run out of yarn when you're in the middle of a project. This is a very important thing, and I just wanted to show you very nicely how it looks. It feels so soft. It's so soft, and especially because a lot of them is for baby projects, so you want a yarn that is going to be gentle enough and soft to have in your baby projects and anything that you're going to give away or perhaps have for your own babies. So I just wanted to give you a close-up about the quality. The sensation is amazing and is one of the items that I'm very excited to start a project with. So there you go, and this is a better look of it, and I hope this was helpful.